Panhandle of Texas. Castro County in the Panhandle of Texas. Until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These storms were located along a line extending from Dimmitt to 6 miles southeast of Littlefield and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Some locations near the path of these storms include Fieldton, Spade, Alton, Hart, Cotton Center, Pathway, Tulia, Happy, Hale Center, and Abernathy. Damaging winds and very heavy rains are expected with these storms. Take cover in a substantial shelter. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday morning for the Panhandle and Northwest Texas.